What, are you working for CNN? The president asked after the mention of the dismantling of the pandemic response team. President Donald Trump attacked Fox News journalist John Roberts during a coronavirus task force briefing on Wednesday for bringing up the disbanded pandemic response team. Roberts, who was setting up a question by mentioning criticisms of Trump's response to the coronavirus outbreak, noted that former Obama administration officials had pointed out that the Trump administration dissolved the pandemic office of the National Security Council. "We didn't do that. That turned out to be a false story. What are you, working for CNN?" Trump said, interrupting the reporter's question. Roberts, who previously worked at CBS News and then CNN for several years before joining Fox News, replied, No, I'm pointing out what they have said, and what you have said, that's all." Fox isn't so easy either. "Don't kid yourselves," the president shot back. "You know that's a false story. What you just said is a false story. You shouldn't be repeating a story you know is false," Trump continued. The subject of dismantling the pandemic response unit has proved to be a sore topic for Trump on multiple occasions. Last week, when PBS White House correspondent Yamiche Alcindor asked about it, he also lashed out, labeling her question nasty and claiming he knew nothing about it. Alcindor later defended her question as relevant, fair, and truth-seeking. The Global Health Security Team, established under the Obama administration in response to the Ebola outbreak, was disbanded in 2018 when Trump's then National Security Advisor, John Bolton, reshuffled the NSC. Trump has also asserted he wasn't aware of this change within his own administration. Last month, when he was asked similar questions about whether he regretted budget proposals that called for massive cuts to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the National Institutes of Health and the World Health Organization, he said no. "Some of the people we cut, they haven't been used for many years. And if we have a need, we can get them very quickly," he said. "I'm a business person. I don't like having thousands of people around when you don't need them," he added. Florida governor issues coronavirus stay-at-home order. After mounting COVID-19 cases and public pressure, GOP Governor Ron DeSantis finally took a step he previously said he was waiting for the White House to order. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, on Wednesday issued a statewide stay-at-home order to slow further spread of the coronavirus following increasing COVID-19 cases and rising pressure from the public and state lawmakers. The order, which takes effect at midnight Thursday, directs Floridians to limit movements and personal interactions outside the house to only those deemed essential, DeSantis said at a news conference. The restrictions will remain in place for 30 days. DeSantis, unlike governors of other states with burgeoning COVID-19 outbreaks, had for days resisted mounting pressure to act, including from state lawmakers. The governor said just a day earlier that he was waiting for the White House Coronavirus Task Force to recommend a statewide stay-at-home order. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump hasn't called for a national stay-at-home order, even as the U.S. has surpassed other nations as the epicenter of the pandemic. The nearly 200,000 reported cases in the U.S. as of Wednesday was more than double the number from less than a week ago. Florida is among the states with the highest number of cases of COVID-19, the disease caused by the coronavirus, with nearly 7,000 confirmed cases and at least 87 dead. Areas of South Florida, including Miami-Dade County, have been under local stay-at-home restrictions for days. More than half of the state's coronavirus cases so far have been in southern counties of Broward and Miami-Dade, DeSantis noted. DeSantis said Wednesday that there were a lot of places in Florida that have very low infection rates. He said he spoke with Trump and the president agreed with the approach of focusing on the hotspots, but also understood the need for the statewide order. Other states, including California and New York, have been under shelter-in-place or stay-at-home orders for nearly 2 weeks. Earlier this month, DeSantis resisted calls to shut down beaches, even after college students from around the country descended on the state for spring break.